What if you had a great mindset, plus you understood the information, and you were going with a positive, upbeat mindset of going and walking into the exam and believing and breaking those limited beliefs and already telling yourself a story. Wait, because now it's getting really good to me. Because a lot of times, family, we tell ourselves stories. Here's a story. The story is I don't know if I'm going to be able to pass this. I don't even know if it's worth even taking the CAPM exam. Now you've invested all this money in a trainer and a coach, and now you're questioning if he's even worth it. See, we tell ourselves these stories because if we don't tell ourselves these stories, we're really what we're trying to do is watch this, family. We're trying to embrace the pain or the impact to the pain, matter of fact, because it'll hurt if we don't pass. Listen, I didn't pass that first time. It hurted. I mean, I wish I could tell you something different, and I'm being vulnerable here. I wish I could tell you that it made me feel great, like, yes, I'm going to get back up and do it again. I had to think about that thing for a minute because I was like, is it even worth it?